All right, now that you're in your system, you want to be able to send text messages and emails to your contacts and leads. Well, you can do that through what we call sender identities. And you can find this one of two different ways. So, the first way you might have seen, if you're in the conversations page and you're trying to communicate with a contact or lead, you might see this add sender identity button. If you click on that, it's going to open up this pop up and you get to select the identity that you want to create. Now, there's a second way to access this, and I'm going to show you that under settings. So click on settings. Inside settings, you're going to click on integrations, and you're going to click on add sender identity. Now, the first time you create your sender identity, it may be a little bit different. And I'll give you an example. When you're connecting your email, the first time you do it, you're going to have to connect your domain for email. Second time you do it, you're just going to specify the name you want to send from at that domain, right? So you might say sales at your domain. And so all these are loaded up here as sender identities. So you and your team can all share that ID as you're emailing customers. So maybe your sales team all shares the sales email address. They all share the sales phone number, and you can have like a unified phone number for contact with your customers. A really great way to stay organized with your communications in that unified inbox. So that is integrations. You can connect multiple domains and you have multiple sender identities across all different types. While I'm here, might as well show you the other integrations as well. When you click on add integrations, you can connect to other CRMs, other payment providers like Stripe. You can do Facebook, a lead form, social media, a calendar, and more integrations to come. So on here, go ahead and click on add integration and connect those different services. That's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoy setting up your sender identities for communicating with your leads and customers. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.